Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account so photos can link to your storage. Once signed in, open Google Photos and enable backup and sync if you want automatic uploads. Otherwise, gather the images into one folder for manual upload. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi, your battery is charged above 20%, and you have enough Google Drive storage. This avoids interruptions and duplicate uploads, and it speeds up the next steps. Now upload the pictures. On mobile, tap Upload or use Backup and Sync and choose the folders or images to add. On desktop, go to Photos. Google.com, pick Upload, then Computer, and drag files or folders into the window. Choose Original Quality if you need full resolution or Storage Saver to save space. Monitor the upload progress indicator and wait until it completes. If you add many files, stagger uploads to avoid bandwidth limits and to keep the process reliable. Finish by organizing your new photos into albums and adding descriptions so you can search later. Google Photos face and scene recognition helps group images automatically. If an upload fails, retry the upload, verify you have storage space, clear the app cache, or reauthorize your account in settings. These steps fix most issues. Finally, review backup settings to control mobile data use and which folders sync, so future uploads run automatically and only the photos you want are included.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.